Hello guys, I am Pawan Shah from PS Motors and today we are standing in front of Rosedale Plaza and Topsail Toyota has organized an event to showcase their high-end cars like the Toyota Yaris and this is the Innova Cresta. If you want to know about the Yaris, click on the I button here to know everything about this car. And today we are going to talk about the Innova Cresta Z model, everything in detail. Let's get into it. This is the Innova Cresta and this is the car key. It gets lock and unlock button only. Let's unlock the car. You can see it gets really very good chrome insides everywhere, and this huge radiator grille gives it a very aggressive look. And you will also get to see character lines everywhere on the bonnet. This car gets LED lighting setup in every lighting aspect, including the fog lamps, but the indicator gets a halogen bulb. Now, talking about this beautiful Toyota emblem, which looks stunning in my opinion. Now, talking about the side profile of this car, oh my god, this car gets simple design but elegant design. You will see chrome accents everywhere. Also, the grab handles gets chrome details and the ORVMs too. Compared to the previous generation of the car, this car does not get any types of design changes in my opinion, but you will get to see strong character lines everywhere from the starting up to the end. And more or less the design is same which the Toyota has kept and it's very subtle for which Toyota is known actually for. Now this car gets a request sensor on the driver side and this is very handy in this segment. Now if the car keys are on with you on your hands, then the car gets unlocked with a tap of a single button. This is very handy. So these are the 17-inch alloy wheels. It gets a really very good design, and this car gets disc brake in the front wheels and drum brakes in the rear wheels. So this is very good in this segment, and this design looks stunning in my opinion. And also because of the silver color, the design gets more elegant. So guys, talking about the rear profile of this car gets inverted L-shaped tail lamps, and these are all in halogen and this looks good in my opinion. And this car gets a rear wiper including a defogger and a high mount stop lamp, and this spoiler is integrated. And this beautiful Toyota emblem gives this car a more elegant look with the badging of Toyota Cresta and also the Z badging with 2.5 2.4 engine variant. Now talking about the boot space, let's open the boot. Yeah, so this boot is pretty usable with the third row seats up, and if you fold the third row seats it gets a bit more luggage space. Let's do that. So guys, as you can see, this gets a pretty huge boot after flipping the third row seats, and here you get the headrest for the middle passenger in the third row, which is a great touch from Toyota. Let's close the boot and get inside of this car and talk about the interiors. So here we are inside the new Toyota Cresta, Innova Cresta I mean, and as you can see this is a really very luxurious inside, I mean the interiors, and this is fully changed from the previous generations. It gets a really small steering wheel and which is both reach and tilt adjustable, and this part of the dashboard is very nicely textured and you get a wooden ornament over the dashboard, and it gets dual glove compartments. One is the cooled one and the other is the normal one. So this is the auto shift for this car, and it gets a leather wrapped gear knob including a leather wrapped steering wheel The steering wheel gets control for the media system on the left side, and on the right side it gets the control for the MID, and it also gets the cruise control. So this side it gets the wiper controls, and this is the controls for your lights. And this is the leather wrapped handbrake. This is the armrest, which is deep inside and pretty usable, but this is not slidable, but it's very good. It gets a cup holder, and this is the ceiling light for this car, which is very good. And since it's sealed, I wait. So this is the goggles holder for the both co-passenger and the driver, and these are the sun visors for both the passenger and the driver. It gets LED lights for both, and this is a manual rear view mirror. And talking about the central console, you get a fully automatic AC, and this is the touchscreen display with CD changer, which is very good. And unfortunately, this does not support the your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And here you get few controls for traction control, power mode, eco mode, and to be mentioned, this car gets two drive modes. That is the power mode and the eco mode. You get a 2.1 volt USB socket and a 12 volt power socket too. So that was all about the front, and let's go back and check out the back seats. So getting in the back seats of the new Toyota Innova Cresta, these are the captain seats which this car gets. It gets individual armrest, and which is very comfortable. These seats are as comfortable as the front seats are. And to be mentioned, the front seats are electrically adjustable, but only for the driver. And here you get a plenty amount of leg room, more than enough for me. And this knee room is very good in my opinion, and I've got a plenty amount of headroom as well. And these seats are manually adjustable. You can incline, you can adjust the adjust it like this also for the rear passengers, and overall it's a very good cabin to be in. So now let's get into the third row and check out the space outside. So here I am in the back seats of the Innova Cresta, and these seats are not so comfortable for me, and these seats are really comfortable for kids. And the one plus point which it gets an adjustable headrest, which is a bit of comfort in my opinion. And one to be noted is it gets AC vents for the rear passenger, I mean the third row passengers too, just like the second row passengers. And due to the ambient lighting and this glass compartment here, you don't feel claustrophobic inside this compartment. So that was all about the new Innova Cresta, and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for future updates. So signing out from today's video. Wait, don't leave. There is an important announcement from Topsail Toyota, that is, they are launching their new car, the Urban Cruiser, on 23rd 9/2020. Mark this date, because on this date this beautiful piece of art is going to be launched by Toyota. So stay tuned, you will get a video on this car too. Thank you, signing off.